In this video, I will show you step by step how you can make a WordPress website absolutely free. If you watch this complete video, then you will able to create any kind of website. It can be like digital marketing, it can be education, it can be yoga, it can be like Gmail, portfolio, or any kind of website that you can build. Before diving into the video, first let me tell you like what we are just going to build up. And today, you guys, like we'll build up this whole website. Also, you will learn some extra things. For example, if you come here, that I will show you the theme customization. I will show you how to customize the header, footer. I will talk about how Elementor works. I will talk about how you can add SMTP, and also like the contact page. If someone types something, then you will directly get everything, all the information onto your mail, how you can connect this. And also, if someone purchased some product, you will get all the notification into your mail, how you can connect everything. I will show you all, and how you can add products on your Woocomerce website, how you can write blogs, how you can do SEO. I will talk everything in this video. So now let me show you the demo, what is this going to build up. So this is the website. Basically, as you can see, this is the home page, and here's the blog page and about us page. Here's the testimonial page. If you come here, the single blog, one thing I really love that is here, this progress bar. That means if you scroll down, if you see at the top that you can see here the progress, how much do you already read and how much already have it there for reading. So as you can see, we can see everything in here. And this is the about us page, and this theme, and a good thing is like you can directly change the about us, but you can directly import in one single page if you want. I'll show you next, no problem. Here is the testimonial section, we'll edit. And also one good news, let me show you that all the pages that you can see, we can directly do changes. We can directly do changes using Elementor. We don't really need anything else, right? As you can see, for example, I just need to change here the text. So I just change our message, say okay, like this. So we can directly change here the text also. And if you click on here this update button, then it will be updated successfully. And let's go to here this shop page, and I hope you understand. So in this shop page, we'll see all the product that you uploaded here. And let's open in a product. And as you can see, this is basically the single product, and people can directly add to cart and check the view card to see it. And here's the process to check out. And as you can see, I already integrate people, so I will show you guys how you can integrate people also, no problem. And here is the contact option. As you can see, here is the drop option. So one thing, let me show you that. First of all, let's go to here the cart page. As you can see, in cart have $200. I've already added, I think. So let's proceed to check out this product, and let's go to check payment and click on here this place order button to place an order, because I already put all the information is here. So that okay, so as you can see, we are getting this message in here. Also, we directly get the mail in our inbox, and it is showing our order number, and here what is this going to order, what's the price, and all the details there directly send us an email. And every single time if they cancel the order, your customer get this this information. For example, if you admin, if you do something on order, your customer will directly all the notification, and also you will get the notification that yeah, your customer is directly order something. And this website is 100% responsive, so you don't have to worry about that. Oh my god, what you look like in a mobile phone and what you will look like in other devices. So you don't have to worry about. Okay, I really like here this menu bar, like this system. I really love this all. So as you can see here, this is look like in a mobile. So you can directly come here this website like rishi.mw.com. I will give you this link. Then you can directly come in here. Then you can see the preview. Okay, so now click on here this my account button, and let's create an account. Just click on here the register button to create an account. All right, so we successfully create an account, and let's go back to the mail. And as you can see, we're going to get all the things. As you can see, we're getting here here the username, here the change the set and password, here is the my account, all the details they send me in mail. One extra things, like if you come here to Duty Metrics and if you put here the link, your website link, then as you can see the performance is A grade with 100%, as you can see, and a structure 97. So it's really awesome, because normally if you build up in a website using other theme and plugin, it's not reach 100%, it's reach like 60 or 70, sometimes 50, but in rare cases come in 100. Now I'm going to show you like how you can buy a domain and hosting. So if you don't know about the domain and hosting, then domain is something like the name, like facebook.com, google.com, youtube.com. It's something like the name. This is the domain name. And if you see the hosting, it's something like that store all the images and all data in a server, something like. For example, now you are watching my video on YouTube, right? So these videos store in YouTube hosting or YouTube data center. That's why anyone from the world, they can directly access the video, they can watch the video. To buy the hosting, if you see my video description, I'll really provide some of the link like Bluehost hosting, Hostinger, and Namecheap. Now you might thinking I make it confused, right? No, I'm not going to make it confused. I just put the first one, it's Bluehost, it's for the rich person, because it's take almost $65 per year, and you know the first year they will take $65. I don't know the renew cost. So this is for the rich people, like who can afford, and this is the good and best hosting, you know. And the next one is also the Hostinger. It's a little bit cheaper. It's take almost $35 for, you know, this first year, and it's also for, you know, I say $35, so it's a little bit less. So if your budget is 35 to 40, then you can move on Hostinger. And if you're finding it more cheaper, something like me, I want to buy a cheap hosting. So it's for 1 year with free domain. This take only $21 or $20, something like. So this is the Namecheap. So everything's up to you, like what you just want. If you have a good budget and if you want to build a website seriously, then move on Bluehost or Hostinger. My recommendation. Or if you want to start something, okay, slowly, first of all 1 year, let's see what happens. Then next year I will change the hosting, and you can come on a hosting like me. So I'm going to show you like how you can buy the hosting. So it's very simple. So if you want to buy 2-year hosting plan, then click on here this link. Or if you want to buy 1-year plan, then click on here this link that you can see now, free domain. And every time, you know, Namecheap, if every time they will give the free domain, don't worry. So in this page, I just click on here Namecheap deals. Okay, in this page, as you can see, all the offers that you can see here. So I'm just going to go to here the hosting, and hosting it's have Stellar and Stellar Plus, and I'm just going to here this .com domain. Just click on here because I want the free hosting also. That's why. So in here, as you can see, it's 2 options. I'm really surprised that it's having an option that is the promo. So let's copy the promo code, because you know in shared hosting it's only $15, and previously I was going to buy this 2-year plan. It's only $37. So why I'm just going to move on the other. Let's buy on this one because it's only $15 per, you know, all year. And the next year it's take $42. Okay, so I'm not serious for hosting, so that's why. So let's buy on this one. Just click on here this buy now button. I want to buy the 2-year plan because I think it's 2 years is a little bit more better for me, because I don't want to change the hosting again and again. So click on here to get a start button, and then we have to put here the domain name that we want. So I want the expertazi.studio. I want this domain name. I know the renew cost is really high, but it's okay because I will not renew the domain again. So this is the expertazi.studio. Let's click on here this add to cart button, and it's almost $38. And this is this card, and we can, the promo code is not really working now because of because it is the 2-year plan, and we also add in a domain. So if you only want to buy the, you know, this hosting 1 year, then it's take $15. Okay, and you can buy in a .com or any kind of XYZ domain. Only $15 or $16 you will get in a 1-year plan, everything. So it's up to you, but my recommendation, if you are, I think 1 year best for you. I'm going to buy 2 year because this is, I will add all my demo content, or that's called like portfolio types of thing. I will add everything on this hosting. That's why I'm just going to buy it. Or sometimes I have to show you something, so I cannot show my personal hosting, so that time I can directly show you this hosting. Okay, that's why I'm just going to purchase it. Right, so my this purchase is successfully added, and they are showing like this pricing, all the things, and total charge, all the things they are showing. So let's go back the dashboard to see, and where is the domain and hosting, and this is 26 February in 2024. We have lots of time. I don't know auto renew all, so I'm just going to turn off. And let's see the domain, what is exactly now. This is not pointed in the hosting. I think it's take a little bit time. I think after a few minutes they will add everything. Now let me tell you one thing, like previously you see that like we are getting to see like your site cannot be reached. So if you are getting same issue, then what you have to do, like you have to check your hosting, because if your domain and hosting is not connected successfully, then they're showing like this type of error. So if you come here, this domain name, and just go to here, this manage, just click on here the manage button, and then you have to come here this name server, and you have to check it out that is it like Namecheap web hosting DNS or not. So if you see still it's the same option, but it's not showing, it's just showing like not connected, then just click on again here and just come back again the web hosting and just click on here this save button, then this will be safe. Okay, and let me tell you another problem that I faced. It was like in here, if you see, it's not it's not secure, it's not showing the log in here, right? So if you're getting the same problem, then you have to go here Cpanel. So how you go to Cpanel, just over in the hosting and go to here, just go to Cpanel, this button, and then you have to come here this option Namecheap SSL. Just click on Namecheap SSL, then you have to log in via your Namecheap account. Then if you go to here install in via Namecheap SSL, then you will get an option that is like this. Okay, so in here you have to activate this this SSL, or if you are going to like this, since it's a primary domain, they automatically install in a free SSL, so you don't have to, just have to log in there, right? Just have to log in, that's it. Or if you cannot, or if you're getting any kind of error, then just click on here talk with a live person here at the bottom, and then it will take a live chat. And now unfortunately this not providing a live chat support, I think, so you can submit a ticket or email us, they will help you. Because normally they help. Yes, their support team is really good, because last 3 years I'm using Namecheap, and I appreciate their support. So it's okay, let's move on to next. That is how we can install WordPress in a website. So now I'm just my Cpanel or control panel, and one thing, they will send you the control panel in your mail also. If you check your mail, then they will give you a link, your server link, username and password. If I directly log in there, then you can directly log in. But now I don't really need the username and password, because now I'm using Namecheap. Okay, so now let's scroll down, and then we'll see the option WordPress. Just click on the WordPress button, and then you will see like this type of option like install now. Just click on install now button, and then you will see how to put here the website name. So I'm just going to put here Rishi, and site description is like Xparazini website, and here we have to put here the username and password. So I'm just going to copy here the password, because later I will change it. And scroll down, I don't need really this one, and I don't need this one. So they're showing some plugins that I'm showing here. So another option is like WP Central. I think it's multiple website managed for multiple website. So I will check it out later, not now. And let's click on here install button, and here showing some other these themes. So if you want, I can install, but now we don't need. Just click on install button to move forward. If you see something like undefined, Then come back again, and again click on install now, and come here this bottom, just copy the password because it's a little bit needed, and just scroll down, just click on install now. Okay, then checking the submitted data. Alright, so it's installed successfully. Just click on here this link, and this is the URL. Basically this will see the user, and this is the admin link. That means if you want to control your website, then you can directly control from here. Okay, alright, so this is the admin panel basically now, but first let me change here the the password, website password. It's really needed, or if I not change it now, it's okay, I can leave it, because when I will come here this WordPress, just come on here WordPress, then you will see the option here directly, the login option. So if you click on here manage your installation of WordPress manager, just click on that, then you will redirect onto, okay, then you can directly log in. Okay, they already have the option, but I don't want to take risks. Let's go to the here user and change the password. So this is the website, this front page, people can see this, and this is the admin panel, and in admin panel we'll see lots of things. If you see the top, that's lots of options here, like what showing this type of things in here. So we don't need really WordPress event and nails welcome message and something. Okay, and here if you see this one, it can be like drag and drop something, so you can change here where you just want to show it. Here's the update option. You can directly update all the things, and here are the posts. That means you can directly do a post on the website. And here is the media, that you can directly upload images or videos. And here are the pages. That means you can create multiple new pages. Here's the comment. Here's the appearance. You can change the themes from here. Here's the plugins. You can directly install on plugins. So if you don't know about themes something like the design. And the plugins is something like people brain in WordPress, like people brain, the main things doing the plugins. Okay, themes, it's like in a structure, it's a design, something like. Because now if you see, this is the design. Let me go to here the view website, and we'll be able to see this is the design. So what is going to install a different theme, it just change the structure, just change the design. Okay, and now, and if I go to here the plugins, let me go to plugins, then you will get a clear idea about that. If you go to here the user, then you can directly add a new user, and you can change the administrator. You can see all the user what are really sign up in a website. Here's the profile. That means you can see your profile, and you can change or customize. And there's some tools that is necessary, sometimes it's not. And here's the setting. Here's some setting, journal and media, like this permalinks. So we have to go the permalinks, and in journal option you will see okay, so in permalinks we have to make it post name because it's SEO friendly. And in journal option, have some option, website URL, and anyone can register or not. Yeah, anyone can register, because the previous website is like simple, any store have, so we have to tick mark on that. So I'll already tick mark, and here we can change the website name. Here we can change the tagline. So let me change the website name Rishi, and we can type here Expert Aussie. Okay, Expert Aussie new website, and just make here the save changes button, then it will be applied. Now I hope you are getting a little bit idea about WordPress. So let's move on a theme. For theme, now we are going to use Rishi theme. So you have to search in Google Rishi theme, then you will get this website rishitheme.com. Just come on that, and then you will directly come in this website. And if you see here that they are providing, if you see here this Google page inside, it's 100%, and in mobile it's 100%, and the ping dom it's 90%, and the GD metrics is 100%. That means this theme is lightweight. If you compare with the Astra or Ocean WP or Cadence, like this theme is super fast. And if you scroll down, then you'll see like they're supported in a Gutenberg or Elementor, Agma, the Woocomerce, and Yoast, everything they're supported. And there are some pre-built templates. If you click on that, then you'll see lots of websites there. That means you can one click you can directly import all the website. Like here are some free and paid Woocomerce, healthy, free, paid, restaurant, people and services, premium, event, and creative. Many types of they're giving us like in a pre-built template. In one click you can directly import that this design. And here is this customize everything. That means we can directly customize everything, block and archive and color and typography, header builder, layout, everything we can directly, customize. And they already have a pro plan, but I see one thing, that is in free version, they're giving all. I think as a noob or as a newbie, I think it's enough. A free version, it's enough. You don't have to go to purchase. But in premium version, they offer something, in duplicate hero items, you can directly copy and paste in premium. Desktop off canvas drawer, you can, it's enable, and some other option is enable. You can check it out, this pricing option, and here are the features. It's have lots of feature. If you have time, then just read one by one. Lots of features is there, and I really like their extension system because there are some extension available, and I really love this extension. I like this performance. I like to the progress system that I show you before. I like the extension. In Woocomerce, I see that, like, if you see the checkout page, normally when it is going to edit the field, the checkout form field, then we have to install a plugin. But using this, we don't have to install because they already pre-built something. That means you can delete the unnecessary field. To download the theme, just click on here, this download here, download Rishi for free. Just click on here, and they will ask you your email address and first name and last name. So I just put my email address and I just put my name, and just click on download button, and we have successfully purchased, and they give it a license key also. And here's the file name. Just click on here, this file name, then it will be start downloading. In themes, I just click on here this add new button to upload a theme. Just click on here the upload theme option, and just drag and drop here the theme that we recently download. Just click on install now button. Let's click on activate now. Just activate button to activate this theme. And one thing we have to do it like in here I see lots of extra theme that is not necessary. So what you can do, just we can delete the unnecessary themes because we don't really need this. Just click on here, just delete it. If you don't know, just click on here this theme details, and just press on delete button to delete it. That's it. Just theme details and delete it because we don't really need this theme. And now this theme is activated, and what to do, just here this gets into string the top, install Rishi. Just click on here because this is the another plugins that's come from Rishi. In home, you will see identity, color setting, typography setting. That means some, there's some highlight something, page setting, sidebar setting, footer setting. We don't really need now. And let's go to the starter side. But before go to the starter side, we have to go the extension. So I just need the cookies, consents, and I just need customize. I don't need performance. I need reading progress bar. I just need, and showing social sharing. I just need because it will show in blog page. And go to here this useful plugins. And this is not like the the affiliate website and mega elements. I just need it. I need the Woocomerce also. I need the Elementor page builder also. I just need the contact form 7. Just click on here the install button. Just install button. That's it. And when you successfully install all, just go to here this install plugin. And now we don't really need the WP total cats. I just delete it. We don't need the WP central. Delete it. We don't need hello dolly. We don't need. And now activate all the inactive plugins. Just select here and just select activate and just click on active button. Okay. And also you have to install Elementor page builder. So if you cannot install from here, it's working, but if you're not working, then come here where you can go, just go to here plugins and click on add new button. Just open a plugin, then click on add new. Okay. And then you will see lots of plugins that is available in WordPress library. So you have to search what you basically want. So I just search here Elementor page builder, and I just get here this plugin. Just click on here this install button. Alright, so one thing happened when I was going to install from here, it's just showing like installation fail, because I think it's showing like this already located in the directory. And one thing, if you're getting this type of problem, the same problem, then you don't have to do it. But if you want to take a risk, then go to here file manager and go to here WP content, then go to plugins. And then as you can see, is it really available on here? Elementor, yeah, it's really available on Elementor, as you can see. So let's click on delete button and just keep it from trash and just click on confirm. And let's go to here again, the these plugins, and just click on here add new button and search Elementor. Then you will see the Elementor page builder. Just click on here install button again and just install it, and let's click on here the activate button to activate it. That's it. It's very simple. I hope you understand what I do here. That means I just delete it from the directory. That means where this file is located. Okay. Now as you can see, this file is located in the plugins, so I just come to plugins and delete it. That's it. Okay, so if you don't understand, then let me know in comment section. I will try to make a different video about that, or if you get any kind of error, just let me know instantly, then I will try to figure out. Okay, I'll try to help you, no problem. Okay, so now everything installed, and let's come back here starter site, just reload the website. And then as you can see, this theme is now gone. Previously it is showing an error that Elementor is not installed. Now it's gone. And let's go to the starter site and install Rishi starter template. Just click on here and don't click multiple time. Just click one time and then wait. Okay, so I click one time and I just wait, and now I just get lots of this starter template. That means we can single one click, we can directly import the the website. All right, so here as you can see, it's selected all, so I just selected here to Woocomerce because I just need Woocomerce one. So in here I just want to install this one, beauty shop. Just click on here, just the name, then you'll see all the options like what basically you just want to import. So in my case, I want to import the whole site. Just click on import the complete site. But one thing, yeah, my Woocomerce is installed. So, and also if you install or if you want to import only one single page, then you can import from here. Just click on import complete site and delete previous imported site. Yeah, I just click on here install button to import all. All right, so just accept it. Yeah, accept. And as you can see, this is the website, and it's a little bit changes. Like here, the shopping product is not here. I think shop our best selling product is not really showing here. Explore all. Let's click on here explore all, but it's not showing anything. Let's go to the shop page. They are directly import the shop or not. Just go to shop, and in shop page they successfully add the product. It's really good, but it's not showing here this. Okay, so but okay, no problem, we'll customize everything. Now let's install some necessary plugins that will be needed in future. So first you have to come here these plugins and click on add new. Then you'll see this classic editor plugin. Basically this is needed now. I just install it because if you go to here the post and click on add new button, then as you can see we're getting like this. This is the blocks editor, so it's easy, but some of the people I don't know, and like me, the previous user, so I'm really comfortable with the classic editor. So I just install and activate. Let me again open it, the classic. Here's the plugin. It's called classic widgets. Okay, so now if you reload the page, since we activate here the plugin classic editor, as you can see it's just changed and it's now simple. Just put title and this description. Here was the same option, something that we see before. And if you come here this widget, it's almost the same thing that you can see here. The widget, it's the block types. I know it's have lots of advantage, like if you're using blocks type of widget, the blocks type of page, then they give you more opportunity for changing something. But I install a classic widget. Let's see how it's gonna work and later, but I install it. Okay, and next I'm just going to install the plugin. It's about for backup. I'm just going to install this plugin, all-in-one WP migration. Basically this is plugins for take something like copy or migrate or something like, but I usually use it for backup. So it's very simple to use. Just hover on here the name and just click on here export button to export it, and just click on here export now button and make it as a file. Basically this plugin just wrap your website all the data and just make it one file, and then they just give you, okay, then you can easily download it and then you can put it in a computer. In future if you break your website, then you can easily get back everything. So as you can see it's ready now. So if I click on download button, then I can easily download it. Okay, I'm not going to download it. So let's move on the next one. Now I'm going to install here EasyWP SMTP. This plugin is for like the put in the SMTP. Sometimes that happen like someone just create an order, but they are not getting the mail in their inbox. So if you successfully submit the SMTP, then this plugin, if you submit this, then this allowed to directly send the email into your user inbox. It will not going to the spam box, and every single time it will go there, okay, and it will be work. I think now it's enough. In future, if we need, then we'll install more, okay. Now let's start our customization. Let's focus on the header and footer. Let's change a little bit, because I see here this this menu bar, it's not really necessary. Some of them we have to delete, and some we have to change here the social media, the link, all the things we have to change here. So let's start doing, okay. So I'm just going to reload this page, and since we log in there, so when I reload it, I getting something in the top like some option, customization, edit setting, or edit Elementor, and here's my profile, and where's the dashboard also. To check the menu bar, we can go the two way. First of all, we can go here this appearance and go to menu bar, just click on there. Then you will be direct on this page, okay. And if you click on here, this select the menu item. So this is the menu one. Just click on menu one and just click on select button. And then now we can directly add more menu items on here. So now this is the products. So I don't really need products. I don't really need the my accounts. I don't really need here the card option. I don't really need the checkout option, but I just need one that is called the shop. So I just click on the shop button and just click on add to menu and just put it down here. And this is one kind of drag and drop something, so you can directly put on here. So I put a shop page, and here's the option primary. I just set up in a primary. That means this will be the primary menu now. Let's come back again and just reload the page, and it's nothing changed because of, if you see here, it's installed in a light speed, I think, in a plugin. So just over on that and click on push all, but still it's not changing, but it's okay. We'll change it from the setting, no problem. So let's move on. Another one is like the footer menu. Just click on here. Let's go to select, and here's the two option, privacy policy, and there's other. Let's scroll down, and if this will be showing here, I think. And let's move on here, the footer one or footer 2. Just go to click and select button, and footer 2, I just wanna show here this menu bar, okay. And the third one, I just want to show my important links. So let me delete all. So I just remove all and just click on my account current shop like this, and this, okay. I just going to add this in this footer 3, my account, and here is the shop, here is the card, here is the checkout. Just click on save menu button to save it. Alright, so now it's changed. Change the heading. We just come here, and as you can see the option header, just click on header, or if you hover on that, then you will see the option like top row and main row like this. So if you click on that, you will get the same thing, okay. And here the top row, we're getting 3 options. The top row is like the social option. Just click on that, then as you can see we're getting all the option like Facebook, Instagram, or like this. If you want to add new, then you can do from here. You can directly add something from here. Just search on what you want, just click on add button, then it will be added, okay. But one thing you cannot see here, this Facebook, you cannot put the URL in here, because this URL, if you want to input, then you have to go back, and here the option social network. In here you can put your Facebook, type, you can type here all the things that you want. So I just put my all the social media link and come back again, and just go to here the header, and just click on here this pin icon, and just remove here Twitter. I think I was put Twitter, right? I was missing something. That's okay. Let's put find out YouTube. Alright, so I just put all, and just click on here the submit button to save it. That's it. And if you go to here this right side, then it's have number and mail. So if you see here this contact option, just click on that, then you will see the option here that if you click on here this arrow button, then you'll see the number option, link. If you want to put something here with the title, if you want to put here is the email address, then you can directly change here. So I just change here the my email address into this, and let me put here my phone number. Alright, so I put phone number and email in here. Just click on submit button, publish button, and if the logo, you just click on here, or if you click on here this, then you will able to see the logo option. And here is the logo, main logo. Here's the logo style, how do you want, and here is the logo more layout, and you can put here transparent logo also. And here is the site title, you know, as you can see here, the site title. So let me put it here, Exparazzi. I know it's not really much, but I'm just showing you that how it's gonna work, right? So let's click on publish button to save it, and let's go to here, this site. Just click on here, this pen icon, or if you click on here, this menu icon, just click on that. Then you will able to see something, because I have to change here the menu bar. So here, select menu option, just make it menu 1, because recently we changed the menu, and I think it's kind of good. Yeah, we want this one. Okay. And here's some option. Menu style is available. If any change the design, then you can directly change it. Have multiple option, whatever you like you can put. Here is the some hover effect. Which type of effect do you want? It's simple, and we can make it like box, we can make it solid color. I want the simple, I like the simple one. So here's the more option, you know, you can directly change here. So now you're thinking like how I can add new elements in here. So as you can see in here, we add all the things, right? So that's why something that we add that is showing the arrow, and something you can add, you can directly just drag and drop here. And how to do an put, just you can directly just put in that, then it will be applied. Okay, then you can, they will get us some option here, the pen icon, just click, then you will see the more option about these elements, widgets. So I don't really want this download on here, and it really looks good. So let's delete it. This is the way, you know, basically for adding something in header or footer. And if you go to here, this header, then this is the global header, and that's it. I already customized my header that I was wanting. And let's move on the footer. Just scroll down. Then as you can see, this is the footer, and just click on here, this edit button. Or if you come back again, here's the option header then footer. Just click on that. Then you will able to see something like so. In here, if you see careful, that this is look like a blank, so we have to add the menu bar in here. Just click on pen icon, and one thing, if you see carefully, that is like inside bar nothing is showing. That means recently, if you see carefully, we was adding a classic widget. So I think this thing is conflicted. So let's delete here this classic widget from our plugin, and let's come back again here, the customization, and reload this, you know, this tab again, and again click on here the widget, and click on, you know, the pen icon, and go to got it, because now it's gonna work in a block widget. So it's okay, just click on here the menu bar, then it's just showing the title, what you just gonna put. So I'm just going to type links, or links, and choose menu bar 2. Which menu do you wanna show? So I'm just going to show the 2 one, and let's go to the 3 widgets, and click on again here, and just change it to, so again click on here the 3 one, just click on pen icon. Then as you can see, navigator menu, no preview available, so just click on that. Then you see select menu, just choose it footer menu 3, and navigator menu, it will be like important, so account links. Let me put accounts, so I'm just going to put account links, that's it. And let's put it, let's click on this publish button to publish it, and this is the basically the links. So if you want to change it, then you can change it from the menu bar. Okay. And if you want to change the social media, you can edit from here. Just click on the social, then you can directly change here something. Okay, you can directly change something. And if you want to change here the logo and text, just click on here the widget, and after this, then you can change here, or you can put different text. If you have something, you can change from here. And the footer edit is something like the same that it show you in a header. The same thing. Okay, it's not something hard, something, it's very simple. You can just drag and drop here something that you want to show, that's it. And if you see here the bottom, it's have the responsive option. If you click on the mobile, then in mobile it will be look like this. But in footer menu, we have to change something. Just click on here, then select menu into footer menu, then this thing will be changed, because now it's showing the normal menu bar. So I don't want to show this, I want it show like the footer menu, because we see footer menu, right? Just click on the publish button. One thing, if you see here, every single element that have this option, like if you want to change the style into horizontal or like others, then you can directly change. And here's the responsive option. For example, if you go to the desktop version, and desktop, what they're looking, it's just looking in a right side. But if you want to make it like center, then it's a center. If you want to make a left, then you can make a the left. Everything is gonna, you can do it from here. But if it's going to change to the mobile, then it's just going to the mobile, right? And now it's just the center. So I want the center. If I want to make it a sketch, that means the full width, then you can make it from here like this. As you can see, when you're going to change something here with the item spacing, how much spacing they are taking. So let me click on here the publish button to save it, and if I come back again and reload this page, and as you can see, this is gonna change now, and here is this change also, and also it's gonna change. But I want to change here this bottom one. Just click on here this bottom row, go to here the setting, and it just look like, and go to design, and design section we can change the color. I want to change a little bit like this. Yep, I want like this. Just make it publish button. You can change here the other color, and divider, and bottom divider, all the things. Okay, so normally if I save it in general option, something like you can change the content, something like you can change the layout, but in the design section you can directly change the color. You can change the background color, you can change the text color, like this type of things available in design. Okay, I hope you understand a little bit. One thing, if you want to change the color, then you can come here this appearance Rishi theme, then you'll see option color setting and also the typography setting. Color setting, you know that you can change the color, and typography something like the text. You can change the text family, font family, width, like this. So if you click on here the color setting, then you will be redirected on this customized page, or if you are in a front page, then just click on here this customize option, then you will get to see like this. Okay, so in here we are getting this option colors. Just click on color, then you can directly change here the global color. I don't want to change basically because I really like this color strategy, or like they give me, I really like this, so I don't want to change, but I'm just showing you that if you want to change, then you can directly change. For example, in here a link color, for example it's in a link, so you can directly change the link color, heading color, many things there then you can do. And the typography, you can change here this base font and heading font. You can change the font family, I tell you that, and you can change here this font family size. And it's really awesome that they are providing some extra option. Normally the theme other themes, they are not giving this option, but they are giving some extra option. You can change the font size, line height, spacing, and how do you want the this font, all the things they are providing in here, this typography. If you want, then you can change it from something. Okay, and if you go to the layout, then you can see here that you can change the container widths. Normally if you know about a Bootstrap, then it's have the same option like container. So you can directly change here the container width and some other option also, but that is not needed now. Here the sidebar, why do you want the sidebar, you can change here sidebar width. You can change here the design also. Here's the button, if you want to change something button. For example, previously we add a button and directly it's come something, right? So if you want to change something, if you want to change the button, this what's called width and height, then you can directly change it here. And scroll top, yeah, I want scroll top means if you see here the option, this is the scroll top. When someone is scrolling, they will get to see this option. If they click on that, then they will directly go to the top. It's really necessary thing. I really like this, and I want this. And it was the 404 page. So in 404 page, if you want to add an image, then you can add. And you can show the post. Normally if you see here, this is the website now. Let me type something wrong, they will come here this page basically, and they will see something like, so it's okay, it's cool, it's not bad something. I don't have to change anything. And let's move on to SEO. In SEO we have to on the breadcrumb before title. I just want to add it because it's just needed. Sometimes if you go to here the post, or if you go to the shop page, then previously it was not. I think now it's not available. Let me open in a product, then you will see it's gonna available or not. Okay, so still it's not available, but if I am going to save it, for the option customize, let's make it publish, and let's go back and let's reload it. Reload it. It's not coming still, but it will become soon. And how do you want the separate? I want this separate, it's okay, and horizontal it's okay, we don't have to change anything. Before title I want this, and here is the font family, you can change, and here's the color, that's it. And if you see here that it's gonna change and it just add in a breadcrumb, this is called a breadcrumb, and it's really useful for SEO. And just try to enable this, I really like this. And here is the social networks that you already see, already changed, and we already add some social media on that. Now let's move on a blog, but if you see carefully that there is no blog page now. One thing we can do, let's go to the menu bar, let's change it to add the blog because it's needed. And also one thing we have to do here, and just go to here also all, and find out blog and just click on add to menu. But this is not the right place exactly. We have to go here the primary menu and just click on select button. Just click on here and just click on select button. Then you'll see all the primary menu, and just go to view all, and here is the search option. If you want to find out, then you can do just click on blog and just click on add to here, and then I want to make it in a home, then blog, then about. And alright, just make it here the shop also, because I just want this. And let's click on here the save menu button to save it, and let's reload the page. And as you can see, we're getting the blog page, and just click on here the blog page. Just click on that, then you will able to see all the blog. Okay, but now this is the design of currently. This is the design, and here is the other option. Here's the one thing that is hello world. I don't really need the hello world, so let's go to the post. Just go to post here, the post, and click on all posts, and you will see all the posts. And I'm just going to delete here this hello world. Just click on the trash button to delete it, and it's just going to delete. Okay, let's come back again and reload the page for check it out. All right, so we're getting again, and if you scroll down, then you'll see the this blog page. Just click on here, then which type of design personally you just want. So it's have some different layout or design, you can say. It's have this one. If you want to make it like this grid layout, then you can make a grid layout. Also it's have machinery design types of things. So I personally like the grid one. I want this, it's just 3, it will be okay. And do you want to add the post title? If you want to add it, then you can directly just turn on this, then it will be come on. And just scroll down, what do you want to show and what do you don't want to show, then you can do it. So if you scroll down, then how much post do you want to show in every single row? It's 2, it's good, I think. And if you want to make it increase, then you can do post navigator. Which type of navigator do you want? Like when you will add lots of posts, and how it will show like the next page, like 1 2 3 4 or something like infinity. I think numbers is okay. And sidebar layout, how do you want? I think which sidebar do you want? I think this one, it's okay, not bad something. And block container, it's okay, we don't have to change anything. But one thing we have to change here, this read more button, it's good. And here the excerpt, right? So I don't want this because it just look like bigger than I was expected. It's good, I think it looks good that people can see here this, like this and like this. But if you want to add, then my recommendation, put a little bit like 10 words or 5 words like this, because if you put a little bit, then it's look more beautiful. Okay, so it's good, it's good. Okay, now it's okay. Just click on here the publish button to save it, and here the archive page, how it's look like. An archive page, I want this, it's this one, and I want to change the archiving to 10. And this one the same thing, and default it will be. And let's go back again, and the author page, how it's look like. And author page, it will be look like the same, because I want to make everything the same, not like different something. But if you want to put different design, then you can do, no problem, as you wish. And here the search page, how do you want to, in search page I want it like this, and excerpt it will be 2, it's not about 10. And just go back and go to here the single post. And single post, how it look like, let's click on here to see the single post, how it's look like. And if you want to change something, then you can directly change. So this is the single post now, and it really looks awesome. And if you see here at the top, and I think if you want to make a blogging website or affiliate website, I think this theme is perfect for you. If you want to make, or in a simple website, then it's okay. Simple e-commerce, you have few products, and my recommendation, move on that, because it's very fast and just save your customer time. And if you want to build up website using this theme, and you don't need really much money, you just spend a little bit. Okay, let's move on to next. And here, this is the design. If you want to change, then you can do. And here's the related post. It's also, if you want to click on edit button, then you can directly edit something. And if you want to show post, text, then you can related posts available, comments available, and many things available. So I don't want to change anything because it's okay, I like this. But one thing we move, that is in here, what if you want to remove anything, featured image, if you don't want to show featured image, then you can just turn off. That's it will be off. Okay, but in post it just needed, so I'm not going to turn off, but I'm just showing you that it's possible. So here the pages, in pages, what it will be look like, the page structure. So as a page structure, I think we don't really need any sidebar and everywhere. It's just showing the sidebar, but let's make it something like this, and let's see how it's look like. but I think as a normal page we don't really need anything. Okay, I think it's full, it's okay. All right, so his case layout we don't need the comment. Okay, that's okay. And let's click on publish button, and let's go to the extension. Recently we add an extension that we are just taking the cookies are like this. You can change the text from here. It's also some design, so you can change here. And what did it show, like in a position and cookies period, how much, everything you can set up from here. So I'm not going to show you. And with the performance one, so in image one, it's a lazy loading enable. You have some other option like disable responsive image. No, I don't know. It's okay. Let's go to the WordPress and already on. I don't want to change anything. JS CS optimization. I'm not going to change anything now here. Here's the font. I'm not going to change anything. Here's the Woocomerce. Disable card fragment. Okay, no, I don't know. And the element disable go. No, I don't want to change anything now. In future, if you need, then we'll change. But now I don't want to change anything because my website is not heavy something. It's a very simple website. Here is the store notice in Woocomerce. If you want to show any store notice, then you can. So let me go to the top, or something like. If they go to here, then they will see the notice. If they come, so if you want to put, if you have any something on a notice something, then you can directly show here. If they click on dismiss button, then it will be gone. So it's okay. I don't want to show any notice. So the general option in general, how do you gonna want the shop layout? So if I want to change the shop layout to like this, traditional, that so you can change it. But in my case, I think this full width is awesome because I have only 8 products. So I don't really need to categorize that all. I don't need to show people that, yeah, let's have different category, like different. So I don't have to, because it's only 8 products. It's not have 50 or 60 or 100 products in here. But if you, if you have a big website, then my recommendation, move on, put in a sidebar. It will be better. Then you can put here the information, the category, and the search like this. It's okay. Let's go to the single product. This is shop as we move, and let's go to here single product, how it's look like. In single product, if you open, this is called single product. This is the available breadcrumbs, store rating, metadata, and all the design. So we don't have to change anything. And here the site identity, if you see here the top, and if you see here the WhatsApp, it's have also. If you see here the Gmail is also. If you see here this YouTube is have also. If you see here the what counter, it's also have the icon. This is the site counter. So just click on here and just click on media library. The size will be like 512 or 512 like this. So now I'm just going to put this one, just select it and just keep cropping. And then publish this, then this will be set up in here at the top, people can see. All right, so let's move on a menu bar that you can see all the menu bar in here. Then you can change here some menu bar. You can change the links also from here. It's really awesome that they already provide us this option. I really like this, that I don't have to go the menu bar in the setting, the menu, then I have to choose that. I don't want to edit, then I have to find out. It's really hard, but they make this option more easier. Then I can directly add new, then I can directly on a new menu page, I can directly add in here. And the plus I can just click on here, then I can directly add in here. And if I delete anything, just cross it. It's okay, it's simple, just simple thing. So it's good, I love this. Let's go to the next one, is the widgets. So we can put in a widgets in here at the bottom. So it already adds 4 widgets, so we don't really need more. And here is the home page setting. Now this setting now home and blog, so it's okay, we don't need. And the additional CSS, sometimes we just need to do some codes, so you can do the codes in here. Okay, let's click on publish button to save it, because it's okay, we successfully do customization. And okay, the customization is over now. Now let's talk about the Elementor, because it's very important thing. Why I saying about Elementor, it's important because of, if you see carefully, that everything's edit or create via Elementor. So you can directly edit or customize via Elementor. So click on here the edit to Elementor button to edit it. And one thing I was forget, that is like we have to do a little bit editing at a menu bar. For example, main raw. And in the raw, I just want to change a little bit, just in 100, 106 or 100. So now it's just changing, as you can see. So it's just 90, it's okay, it's good, and 90 is good enough, I think, or 88 gets good, because you know it's previously it's like a big something, I don't know, a big something. So let's go to the design, then you can directly change here the background color. Okay, so from here, so I don't know, change, let's make it change here the background color, the white, it's okay, just click on publish button. Okay, so I changed the menu bar also, and I show you that how to change the color also. In footer section is same. So let me close it, and let's come on the Elementor, and this is the awesome thing. And using Elementor, we can change here the text. For example, I don't want to change it something, I want to put something like, then you can do. And if we go to here, then we can change here like this. Okay, like this. If you want to learn more about Elementor, then you can see my previous other video, or I already have a course about Elementor, then you can directly go to there and you can purchase, and you will be expert on Elementor. Okay, if you want to be, then go to check my description, I'll provide you. Okay, but now let me tell you a little bit about how you can change the image, how you can change the text. So to change the text is very simple. When you're just going to hover, just click on the pen icon, or why didn't I edit, just click on that. In left side, you will get to see here the title, then you can do changes whatever you want. And when you change this down, just click on the update button, then this thing will be safe for everyone. Okay, and also if you need to change the image, so just click on here, and then you can directly change here the images. Okay, for example, I want to put it down this one, I just change it, and now as you can see, this image is now changed, and now it's really look like nearby. So just click on this icon, you know, this section, and go to advanced, then we can directly change here the height and width, because we changed the image, that's why it's look like nearby. So let me put it more, you know, padding something. Okay, now it's really like this, and just click on the arrow, then you will see the preview, and yeah, it's good, it's good, it's good. Just click on the update button to update it. The same thing here, image sense I show you, but now you might thinking that how do I get the images from other? For example, I just need a here, right? I just want this, and how I can do? So my recommendation is very simple. Just first of all, download the image, click mouse right button and save it, then you will get to see the image here. Just click on arrow and go to show finder, and click mouse right button and see the details. And it's the details, if you see where is the details, it's only 568 426. Let's go to here, the Canva, search on canva.com and come to the website, and it's have lots of free images. So create an account, then click on create a new design and go to custom, and now we have to put down that we recently see it's 500, you know, what is the option, 568, and under there is 426. Just click on here, the create new design, then here is the option element, put here the content that you want, like it is like here. Okay, just copy it carefully, and it's having a space a little bit, so just remove it and just click on here the enter button. Then you'll see all the option like all photos, graphics. So I want the pictures, the photos, and it's a lots of, you know, premium and free things available. So if you want to put something, then you can do, or if you don't like, then you can use Pixabay or Pixels, pixels.com, or you can go Pixabay, search on Pixabay, then you can go there, or you can go Unsplash. Many websites have Unsplash, but normally I think you will get your perfect images from here, like the Pixabay or Pixels. So I'm just search here, and as you can see, it's a free image that they are using in the website, and it's have some more. It's have some more option that you can use on your website, and it's have some more. So you can directly download and you can directly upload, and you know the. Okay, so I like this one, so let's click on here download, and how you want. I just wanted this one, or this one is perfect. Just click on download button to download it. Alright, so we're getting the image, so let's drag and drop here. Just drag and drop here, then this image will be uploaded, and just click on there. Then you can do directly resize the image. How do you want? Alright, so I just resize it, and just click on here the download button. Okay, so one thing you can put here the title also, here the title. And here if you see here the top, then you will see get a more option, like you can change the background color, or you can change here the other things all. I'll just click on the download button. And how do you want to download? I want in the JPG format. So if they give you PNG high quality, try download lower file something, because it's good. Just download it, and it just take a little bit seconds for download. Yeah, we are getting the file in here. Just go to the Elementor again, the page, and click on the image, choose image, and just drag and drop here the image that we recently downloaded. So now this image is only 42 KB, so it's good. Try to upload less than 100 KB. Sometimes it's happened if you upload in a high quality image, it just make your website heavy. So if you want to compress your image, then go to the compressor website. So just compress image online. If you search in Google, then you will get lots of websites. Then just go to there and just make your website and make your picture compressed. It'll be better. Okay, now this image is almost compressed, so I'm not going to go there for a compress again. But if you download high quality image, then I'm just saying you. Alright, so this is okay now, and this is the section basically. And if you want to change here in Elementor, if you want to create, let me show you that how we can create a new one, right? For example, I want to create a section. I want to put in a content, for example. So I just click into the plus icon, then they will show you which type of layout do I want. I want like this for tool, and in this I will put some content, and in this I will put the picture, right? So I just click on here this section, and here all the options is here available. What you want, just search. I want the image. So when I search image, I get here image box, image carousel, like this. So I just drag and drop the image and choose the image what you just want. So I recently upload this one, just so to this one, just inside the media, then this image will be added. And you're in every single time in Elementor you get three things. One is like content, style, advanced. In content you can just change the content, you can change the alignment like this, and in style you can change the color, typography like this, and in advanced section you can put in padding and margin like this type up. Okay, and also some extra option like put many extra option have like motion effects, transform, background, many things. So I'm not going to there, right? So let's click on here this one and just put here some little bit text for your, this is the heading. And if you click on here this column, then you can directly make it middle. Now it's have the option like it's called a column, it's called a section, right? So if you click on section, then you will get the same three option. Then you can do the edit in here. For example, I just want to change here the padding bottom to top. I want to change the background color, just go to this style, background type into like this. I just change it. As you can see, I can change here the text color. Just click on the pen icon and go to style, then you will see to this text color that you can see. You can change here, and as the typography also you can change here the width if you want to make it bold, and you can change here the font family if you want. For example, I want to put it open sans, so you can change it from here, and transform uppercase or lowercase like this. You can change here the line height, you can change here the lot spacing, you can change here the water spacing, everything you can change from here. The Elementor, all the things is available. Okay, and also if you click on here this box icon, then Elementor also gives some pages absolutely free, so you can directly import them all, but now we don't really need. So I hope guys now you get a little bit idea about Elementor and how it's gonna work. So if you want to change this this website, then it's very simple. I hope you understand how I just integrate all. So just click on here, just change the text whatever you want, just go to the next one, just click on here the text, then what you want, then you can directly change everything. If I want to change here this to 100 product to like 500, and border coverage is like 120, learn more. If you click on the arrow, then as you can see we're getting to see here the link, so you can directly change here the link. So this about the shop, for example, so let me link it with the shop. So I just copy here the shop URL, go to Elementor and just paste here the link, and just click on the update button. And also I see some page in here, there's this one, just remove it and paste it here. And also I see here the screen here is some other option, just paste here and change it, and go to here the button, change here the link. I just put the same, you can put the different link if you have. So let's go back the home page again, and if someone click on the shop now button, they will redirect into the shop. If they go to the here the all the option, they will go to the shop like this. You can change. And one thing, you know, in here we have to put here some products, but unfortunately it's not showing. It is showing like product limit 8 product column, but not showing. No problem, we can directly put here some other option. Let's search some products. Then it's not really showing the premium. It's a premium for. But one thing, if you click on here, just click on the link, then if you see here this option, like previously I was see something, right? So when I click on apply button, it just apply, and we are getting to see all the product that is here. As you can see, if you see here, okay, where's the product? All right, so here is some product. I think explore all. Here's the product. Just click on here, then click on apply now button to apply it, and it just now apply. And let's go to the home page. Just reload the home page, and as you can see, people can see your products, right? And here is the other option that people can see. So if they click on that, they will redirect on the product page directly. So it's really awesome. All right, so I hope guys now you understand. And here is the button. You can change here the link also. Just change the link. When you click on here, anyone, okay, anything, then you will get the free option. Content, style, advanced. So in content, you can change the link, you can change the text, you can change whatever you want that you can do. And the style, you can change the color. You can change the typography like this. It's simple. And if you click on here on the left side, as you can see, we're getting the text. And if you click on the text, then you can change the text. That's it. Very simple. I hope you understand now. So let's click on here this update button to update it. One thing, if you don't understand again, let me show you one thing, that is come here this testimonial, and just here the top option edit with testimonial, just click on here. Or if you come here the pages, all the pages, you will get to see here the option edit option, okay? Or if you go to here the setting, I was forget to show you some settings about Elementor. I'm showing you, just wait, give me a little bit time, I'm showing you. First, I want to change the design into something like different. So what you can do, just going to duplicate it, as you can see, duplicate it, and going to just go to here and just make it this case, or just change it. Okay, so what is showing here? Oh, in here, you just here the section, and just change this weight into 12 or yep 1150, and just copy here this design and just paste here. As you can see, it's allow, it's there allow us to copy paste. So if I do copy paste, then you can do from here, okay? And also I just want to duplicate this one, and I want to change all the, you know, the style from here. Just copy mouse right button and copy the style, come back again here and paste the style and paste style, then it will be take all the style from the first one that we copy. And let me delete, or let me just copy here something from here, and I just drag and drop here. It's okay, just delete the previous one and just click on here this update button to save it. And let's click on the section, let's go to the advanced and just let little bit, you know, this merging from top. If it's the link option, unlink it, then you can change the individual. So now it's individual. I just change the, you know, from the top is 5 and the bottom is 0. If you click on a button, then you will be able to see like this. So this is the basically review. And one thing is have in, for example, in the section it will gonna show in the mobile version. So just hide it mobile. Then when it's going to, if you see here the bottom, it's have the responsive option. If you click on there, then you'll see the mobile option. If you're going to there, then in the mobile version, it's not going to see. When someone visit the website via mobile, they cannot see. And mobile version, if you change in a specific something, as you can see, it's now mobile. And if you see here, it's also showing us as mobile. In mobile, you can change anything. If you want to change anything, then you can change from here, okay? So now I'm not going to change anything. Let me make it previous that it was. Just go to the section, go to advanced, and go to responsive, change it. And some another option like reverse column. You can change the reverse column in here. So I hope you understand a little bit about how it's gonna work. It's a lots of option, man. You don't have to know all. You have to just know a little bit how it's gonna work. Okay? You don't have to do all. Okay. So I hope you understand a little bit. And now let's move on the Elementor. So here, if you come to Elementor, it's having a setting option. Just click on the setting. Then you will able to see come here the setting. First of all, in general, what do you want to edit? Like landing page, products. I want everything. I want to edit everything via Elementor. Just click on here the save changes button. Then we'll get edit to Elementor like this option. Otherwise, you will not get to see. Okay, now we can see here edit to Elementor. If you turn off here this post, then you will not able to see it. Okay, so I want this integration, advanced experiment, we don't need. So role manager, and here's the tools, and here's the system info, here's the getting started, and here's the help submission, we don't need. And here's the template option. And the good thing is it's have the template option. Like templates, I really like this. For example, I want this one. This is called a testimonial heading, right? I like this. I want to make the same a different page with different name. Okay, so let's copy here this one, click mouse right button and save it as a template. And you can put here the template name, what is you want to put. So it's about the template testimonial header, right? Testimonial header, and just click on here the save button. Now I save it, and if you go to here my template, then you will able to see. And then if you come here this the save templates, then you will able to see that you recently download. We just save it, we can see here. And this have some other option. Theme builder, it's pro, it's not free, and that means you don't need just extra theme. You can just do everything. You can make the shop page, you can make the many things you can do using theme builder. If you want different video about this, just let me know, I will make different video about this. It's a landing page, kit library, pop-up, everything is it there. And pop-up is per version. It's really important. Sometimes that happen, like people just come to your website and you just want to show them, and a pop-up that you can directly show them if you have the the premium. And here is the category, so you can specify this is for what, this is for what, like this. So we don't really want. So let's move on the pages. I hope you get a little bit idea. And let me delete some unnecessary page. We don't really need this card one. We don't need this contact one. We don't need this my one, and we don't need the products one, but we need, I think, and simple one we don't need. So bulk action, move to trash, then it will be going to the trash. Okay, all right, so now let's create another pages. Just click on here add new button to create another page. And in page we can put here the name about what you just want. For test page, I'm just typing test page, and let's click on the publish button. And just go to here this view page button to see it, how it's going to look like. And this is the preview that you can see now. And if I going to here this edit with Elementor, just click on here, and now as you can see we're getting to see like this. And if you want to change the style, you have to go to setting and go to here the page layout, the full canvas, and then you will get to see here the header and footer. That's it, no contents. And recently we saved in a blog, and if you want to import the same blog, just click on the add template button and go to my templates, because we recently saved on a template, right? And here as you can see we're getting to see okay, there is no library. Why? We recently add something. So let's click on the insert button, and how you will want. Okay, so press no, then you will able to see that we just copy. So this is the one of the magic of Elementor, that we can directly copy the layout and we can implement it on different pages if you want, and then we can do whatever. Okay, so this was in a test purpose, so I just type here the test, and let's type here the heading also, just drag and drop here, and just this was in a test. Alright, so just click on the this update button, then people, when they will come in here in this page, then they will able to see the TS page, right? Just reload it, and as you can see we're getting to see all the things. Okay, and just taking a little bit, it's looking in the bottom, so just go to here this advanced and go to EM or pixel and just put it here at 50. I just want to make, or let's see how it's look like, and at 50 it's okay, I think. And just click on the update button. One thing I forget to show you, that like how you can do posts. So if you come here this post and click on here add new post and all post, then you will able to see in all posts, you will see all the posts that is, you can see now here that you post here. And if you click on here add new button, then you can type here the title. This is the title, and here is the description, whatever you want you can put here. Here is the category, or if you want to add a new category, just click on new category, and here is the tag option, and here is the featured image option. That's it. So if I open another single post, then it will be more better to show you that what is basically the header, or like the title, or what is the description like this. So this is the featured image that you can see. This is the title, and this is normal like description. And if you see here, this is the fresh, this is the category. Okay, and that's it. This is the post only. So I hope you understand. Let's move on. The next thing is this contact page. Now that you can see here, this is the contact page, but unfortunately I don't really like this contact page. I want to do something different that is come from let me go to here, the starter template, and let me show you. Here is the appearance, then go to demo, import template plus. Let's wait for the this loading, because it just loading here because of my internet connection, but it's okay. When it's done, then I want to get here this Woocomerce one. It was like the organic shop, and I want only the contact page. So I just click on here the contact button. I like this style, and just click on here import contact template. Just click on here, and recreate plugin. It is showing now everything's okay. Just importing now. Yes, it is imported. Let's click on a view page then to see it. Yep, it's gonna add it now, I think. Yeah, but it's loading. Let's reload it. Yep, it's gonna add it now. Okay, all right, so it's good. I want like this. Let's come here to this pages, and then I think we'll able to see here the contact too. Okay, so here is this one, the contact, I think that we see here on the draft. Right, so I open the two page, like the contact one and this one draft one. I open both in Elementor, and now let's do a little bit changes. In here it's a good, it's here, it's good, I think now. But I'm just showing you guys like how you can do. Yep, it's got the same one kind of, but the difference between here, if I copy it and if I go here and just copy here the paste here and just paste it, then you will get to see all the information, as you can see. And now we can copy here the contact form, and we can paste here and just remove this one and just remove, also just remove it. Okay, and let's see the preview how it's look like. Yeah, it's perfect now, but we have to need a little bit spacing for top and bottom. Just click on here, this one section, go to advanced, go to here, and and padding EM. Okay, and top it's 2 and bottom it's 4. All right, so let's see. Yep, it's good. Let's take a little bit more. 5 and 5, it's okay. Let's push it like up, make it update. All right, so now it's okay. One thing, as you know, in here, what I do, I just copy mouse right button and just come here and to paste it. That's it. It's simple. And you just copy and paste. Okay, it's gonna work. And previously I show you how, if you see the copy paste not working, then one thing you can do, just click mouse right button and save as a template, then import in another page. That's it. Okay, then it will be applied. So I was wanting like this, and it's now it's good. I'm happy now. And now let's delete this draft one, because now it's not needed because I changed the style. And now if I go to here the contact and reload the page, I'm getting to see here like this, as you can see. So if you want to change here something, then you can do it directly, but now it's gonna change. All right, so since we working on contact us page, let's work a little bit about because when for example, let me first of all put something. I type my message and I just click on here. Oh my god, it's not working. Okay, it's working. Just click on here, this save button. Thank you for your message, it has been sent. But I don't want to show this message, I want to show something different. How I can? Let's go to here and come in the contact. Just here the option dashboard contact, and first of all we have to check it out that which form now we are just using. So to see that, just click on here to the Elementor button and come in this page and just click on here this pen icon. Then you will be able to see this is the contact form, not contact form 1. Let's come here. Okay, let's come here, this contact, and this is contact form, this one basically, and it's showing €2 direct. Let's go to the mail and site admin, this is, and this is the from this email and invalid mail system. Okay, Umail, not Umail, what I put here. email, but it's not your email. I think it's only be mail. I think in here I think it's showing. So let's put it down mail. Yes, let's see what happened. And we have to okay, we have to put here this one. This is basically the email, so reply this email, and we have to change here this mail here. So this is the site admin, so we have to put here something like our our branding email, something like, because this is not take other email address. So let's put it here, admin this mail, and this error will be gone. Admin this email. Okay, let's click on a save button, save it. Alright, so everything's okay. Now let's go to the form. Dots are used in form tag name. Okay, so here was a dot, so I just remove it. Let's see what happened. I just remove it from here and just come here and reload it. Alright, so let's see here. Yeah, everything is okay, but the big problem is, like, if someone sent us mail, will not get the mail in our mail system, right? So what I have to do, just have to go over Cpanel now, because if you see recently, if we come here, the user, or recently we put an email address in here, it was like admin address, yeah, like this mail, admin address like this. So let's create a custom email from Cpanel. Just come in here and just go to here, the mail. Okay, so we're not finding out this, search here email, and here's the option email account. Just click on here, and now click on here the create button, and let's type here the admin, and now we have to put here this password a little bit, so let's put a password. So I put in a password and just click on here the create button. Alright, so this mail is now created, as you can see. Let's click on check mail, and also click here this connect device button. In check mail, they just redirect us into webmail, then we can directly check here. If someone sent a mail, then we can directly change, you can check everything. Alright, so here is the configuration of everything, so we don't really need anything now. Let's go back again, and let's put something, all the information, and just message like this, and just tick mark, and then just click on here send button. Send message is successfully. Let's come here. Yes, we are getting the mail in here, your subject, your message, but nothing has come here, but it will come, no problem. Since it's a test time, that's why it's gonna happen, but it will come all. Let's go to the mail, but we understand that it's a little bit, it's just working, Okay, let's move on here again, the contact us page, and one thing I want to change here, this message. So go to the message. So thank you for your message. We got your mail, we get your message. We'll reply soon. Okay, we'll reply soon. That's it. Just click on sub button to save it. Come back again and just push all the cache, and let's come back again, and let's put here the name. It's like this. Yeah, my putty and name, the mail, and here is the all the text or message, and just click on here save button. We get your message. We'll reply soon. Okay, it's very good. Come back again here, reload the page. I think it just take a little bit. Okay, it's just coming here. Unfortunately, it's not really working. I think your message, your subject, and name. But if you click on the details, reply to this mail. As you can see, we're getting there. Reply to this mail. That means who is the person send the mail. We are getting the information. One thing that we have to change something from this is a mail from full name subject. We can put here the subject also. Basically, let's put it here. The subject is full name, and write message. It will be the description. I think. Oh, okay. Here is your message body. This one. You write your message. This one, and subject. It will be the full name. I think. Subject is will be full name, because I'm just going to customize it. In that I want. Okay, let's save it, and let's go back to here, and let's see it's gonna working or not. Let's put here Aussie. Let's put here the mail address, and let's put here checking. And let's check here what we're getting here. Yes, we get the same thing, Aussie, and the message and subject is Aussie. And from we can directly add here the customer email. It's not really hard something. We have to put here additional mail here. We have to put here this mail, right? We can put here this thing, this one thing. Yeah, your name and a subject. It will be this. Okay. From we don't really need this in subject. We can put here the name in here. From, then subject is nothing, and the bright message, this is the message. Send from the side URL. That's it. All right, so it's gonna good now, and I hope you understand now what I'm doing here. Just do a little bit customization. That's it. And here they are showing us this what I have to do, which tag we have to use in here. That's it. Our mail is now fixed. It's okay. And now we have to add the SMTP. We previously installed a plugin, if you remember that. It's about like easy WP SMTP, I think. So we have to fix it, right? Let's find out here. Yeah, here is the easy WP SMTP. Just click on here the setting button and come here the from email. So from email we have to come here this Cpanel email again, and you have to click on here the connect button, right? If you not understand, let me show you that again. Just come here the email account, and then come here, then you will see the option connect device, and then you will see all the option. And one thing, if you want to connect the same email address in your mobile or Gmail, then you have to watch this video how to use Cpanel email on Gmail app. You can watch this video. I already uploaded a video on my channel. Then you will able to add this email into your Gmail application via this SMTP. Alright, so let's put a username. I just copy the username. And where is the option? Where is the option? Okay, so we have to go to SMTP and just put here the mail address and the full name. It will be the Rishi Studio. I just type Rishi Studio as the name. Reply email, it will be the same email. SMTP host, we will put it here, and this TL or SSL, it will be 465. And authentication, yes, obviously. Here's the the email, and I have to put here the password. And we have to change here the SMTP host. So if you come here, they already provided incoming studio. Incoming it's this, and outgoing is this. So let's copy it. Let's come back again here and change it. Let's see it's gonna working or not. Just click on save changes button. Normally we're just using here the hosting URL, but now I use this mail. Let's see what happened. To check it's gonna working or not, just come here this text email tab, just click, and I just put my email address. Subject is with test, and message test1. And let's click on here this test email button to see it is gonna working or not. If it's worked, then okay, everything's okay. Email was sent successfully, no errors. Okay, no error that's getting here. Let's see the email address. We are getting it not. Yep, we have successfully get everything. And here's the name, Rishi Studio. And here is the mail, when someone just click on reply to this email, Rishi Studio and other things, that means it's gonna working as well. So SMTP is connected successfully. I hope it makes sense now. So reload the page, then this SMTP URL will be gone. And now let's move on the this Woocommerce. Woocommerce is like something like e-commerce. So you can add the product in there, then you can sell the product your customer with your customer. So if you click on the Woocommerce, then you will able to see all the details about how many sales you are getting here and other things. So here, as you can see, they're showing in a pop-up that is about this something like if you fill up this, then it will be more easier. But it's okay if you ignore it, no problem. We can fix, or we can do everything from here. The setting option, we'll fill up all the information in here. No worries, don't worry. Okay, come back again here, the setting. Okay, so in home you will see all the details. In order you can see the orders, how many people ordered or not, and customer you can see the customers report in status, this, and here this other extension. So you have to put here this address, your shop address, your country, and what is your where do you now we're just selling a product. If you're selling in a specific country, then you can choose this out, no problem. If you want to add tax, you can add. And what is your currency, then if you go to the product, you will get to see some extra option, shop name, and what happened after and placeholder image something. And let's go to the shipping. Okay, we don't need. Let's go to the payment. Shipping is like something. For example, now you're using in a capital city, so you wanna, when it's going to deliver a product in capital city or in a main city, you're just taking $5 for shipping charge. But when it's just going to take, the product in village, it's just going to take $10 per product, per shipping. So this is basically shipping. So you can put a different shipping via your courier or something like. And with the payment option, you can add a PayPal also on a Stripe, whatever you like, you can put it here. So now I'm just going to on here this check payment. Now I'm just going to on, and let's move on here. Let's put in save changes button because it will not be saved if you not click. Let's go to the account setting and just tick mark on here all. Allow customer to log in. Yep. Allow customer to create during. Yes. Create account. Yes. Okay, everything is okay. Let's click on here this chip changes button, because I just tick mark on that, because if you tick not mark on that, then people cannot create account. Okay, that's why I just tick mark on that. Here's the email account, so you can change directly the email account, and here's some other things. Okay, and here is the integration, and I don't really need anything. Let's go to the advanced. Here's some advanced option, terms and condition page if you have, then add it, and that's it. That's it. Here's some other option, REST API and Woocomerce. Like, we don't really need this. Okay, so now what to do? Just first of all, let's add in a product, right? Let me show you how we can do in a product. Just go to hover on products and click on add new. Then you will able to see many option and all products. You can see all the products in here. So let's put in a product name. For example, I'm a product now, and the description. This is the description. What is the category? It will be the man. Okay, let's add it here, and here the product name, you can put it, or tag, you can put it here. And there's a product image, you can select any image. And if you have multiple image, for example, this is my product image now, and if you have multiple image, then you can choose it from here. For example, we have multiple image for the product, so I just put it on here. Okay, let's go. And this is the short description. It will be shown in a product, this right side, I think I'm showing you. Okay, let me put the short description, and this is the long. All right, so long, I'm just here long. Okay, and I want to put here something that this is the simple product or group product or variant or variable like this. It's this normal product, so regular price is $500, but now it's offer, it's only $99. This is only $99. This is an offer. And inventory, it's have SKU. If you have a good, if you have a good or big shop, then it's needed. Now we don't need manage. Do you want to manage the stock? So yeah, I wanna stock quantities now. It's now only 5, and shipping, it's okay. We can put it information. It's only 666. Shipping class, no. Shipping class, link product, nothing. Attribute, no. Okay, I'm just going to publish it. All right, so let's go to see. Just click on view product to see it, how it's look like. So as you can see, this is the short product, and this is the different image people can see here. And here is the additional information, and it's the review. People can do review. We can give the review 5-star or good. People can say how is it. So, and here is it. Okay, let's go to this description. This is a long description, and that's it. All right, so now one thing, for example, these products have 2 options. Like you are just going to sell black or red, and black price is only $50 now, in $50, and this red one is $99. Multiple product you have, for example. So let's go to here this variable product if you have like this, and then go to these attributes and just click on here add button to create an attributes. And it's about the color, right? So it's about the color, so I put color, use for variation, and it's about the red, and this icon, I don't know what is the name, this one, I don't know what it's called, but if you see previously, then yeah, attributes by this separating value, if you see carefully, it's okay. So let's put red, and then put, okay, yellow, or what I say, I forget, okay, black, it's black. All right, so let's click on save attribute button, and let's go to the variation. Yeah, just wait a little bit. Okay, so now we are getting the option like add variation. just click on go button, and again click on go button, then we'll get 2. So in red one, a little different price, right? So just click on here red one, and in red one is price is 500 normally, but now it's only $50. And if you see the black one, it's a normal 500, but it's only $99. And it's some other option, like if you want to put a different description or some other, then you can do from here. So I'm not going to add anything, just going to show you that how it's gonna work, in future if you have multiple, product variation, then how we can do. Okay, so let's reload the page now. And as you can see, we are getting to see here the color and choose an option. If you select here red, it's showing the $50, and if you get to black, it's showing $99. So I hope guys it makes sense and you understand now. Alright, so now let's go to here add to cart button to add it. And it's now in a cart. Just go to here this view cart button to check it out and proceed to checkout. And now we have to put here the information, but if you see careful the company name, it's not needed. So first of all, let's delete unnecessary field. Just click on here this customize button and come here in this Woocomerce. And I think it's, I don't know where it's available, but previously, okay, so here's the option checkout page. So optional is company name field hidden, then it will be hidden. Address to field hidden. I don't really need the address to, it's optional. And phone field, is it really needed or not? So if you think it's not needed, then okay, you can make and remove it, but it's needed sometimes, display coupon code. If you have coupon code, okay, let's see how it's look like. On checkout page, we can directly put here coupon code option. So it's okay. I want to show this. It's interesting. Sometimes I define, coupon code. So okay. So now it's just look like clean. That is needed. So reload the page. All right. So let's put all the information. Let's put here my name, and let's come here my address, district. Okay. And my phone number, my email address, everything's showing in here, and only have the check payments option, but we don't have PayPal. So what you can do, you can add here the PayPal account. Let me show you how we can do PayPal. Go to here plugin and just click on add new button, and just search here PayPal, and just click on here PayPal by yeah, I don't really want this PayPal. Where is this? I think it's this one, or further than the one. Which one? I think this one. Yeah, it's have the accept PayPal pay later. Yeah, it's have the option. So let's click on here activate button. You can move on this one also, it's up to you. So I add it. So let's go to the setting, PayPal setting, not PayPal setting, it's Woocomerce setting, and let's go to here the payment. Then you will able to see here the option PayPal, and just click on here. Okay, let's turn on it and just click on save changes button. Okay, when it turn on, we are getting to see here we have to add here the PayPal, something. So I'm just going to make it in a sandbox, or if you seriously if you want to connect it, then just click on here the connect PayPal button to connect your PayPal account. Now you have to put here your email address, your merchant ID, and client secret. Alright, so now I think it's easy, you can do it. It's not something hard, so I think you can do it. It's very simple. Or you can watch in a video add PayPal in Woocomerce, and then go to here filter and select in this year, it's remember better. Then you will get to see the recent video, and as you can see, you can watch this video. I really appreciate that this video is good, and here's some other video, then you can watch. It will be more better. To place any order, just click on here place this button, place order button. Let's see. Okay, so this is loading, and we're getting to see here this order is received, and here's the other information. And if you check here your mail, then you will get the same email. As you can see, your order is received, and it's really working. But I don't really like here this design, and also it's showing here Rishi built with Woocomerce. I don't want to show like this, so I want to change the design. And if you go to here order, then you will able to see all the information what people use for order, as you can see. So here's just click on the name. Then as you can see, this payment is now whole, and what you order, all the information we can see here. So if you see that, yeah, I get a payment, I want to complete it, then just make it complete and click on update button. Then your customer instantly, he will get another mail that is like your order is completed. So let's come back again and just wait. I think, yeah, your order is completed. As you can see, your order is completed. Okay, so this type of thing, you know, if you do any changes, then your customer will directly get the information via email. So that's why we change the SMTP. That's why we connect the SMTP. Now let me show you like how you can change the design. So to do that, you have to go here, the plugins, and click on add new, and search here Cadence Woocommerce email designer. Okay, so if you're not finding out, then okay, we're getting it. I'm just talking about this one. Just install and activate it. And now come here in Woocomerce and click on email customizer, and here the option pre-built template, just click on that, and then click on here this one, or which template do you want. In my case, I want the first one. I just want, let's click on load for loading it, and I just need a little bit of color. I have to pick from my website, and I also need the logo. Yeah, just logo. Save it as a web, and then copy here, the color code is here. Copy the clipboard, go to here and just go to header image and select the image and drag and drop here, and just choose it. And okay, so in here we can change here the image max width. Just make it a little bit like 40, 40 or 41. It's good. 44. Okay, 45. It's enough. And padding, how much padding do you want? I don't want to change anything, so let's change the background color into this one. Okay, so again change it to this one, and it just really change. And nothing had to do. Okay, so in here, if you see bottom, it's have this social media, and also have this change the footer also. Go to here, and here's a container. Container means that's your, you know, it's the middle one that's talking about the body, and the footer, and the it's this one. So the footer social media, you can directly change something. For example, I'm just going to change the Facebook. So let's facebook.com/ my page name Xparazi. And Instagram, and let's put it down here, Xparazi _. And here's the Twitter. Twitter have the same option. It's was Xparazi. And the fields is another one. It's about the website name. So I just copy here this URL and just paste it. Alright, so it's okay. And we have to change the footer, you know, credit. Just save it, go back, footer credit, and come back again here and just change it to 22, and all side razor. That's it. Okay, and if you see here the bottom, something we're getting here, except our this client, or I don't know how to say, it's not, don't worry about this. Okay, this will not show in, this will not get your user, so don't worry about this. That you can see here, this will get your user only. All right, so now it's okay, and let's go back the website again. And let's go to the shop page, and let's create a different order, and let's see how it's look like now. Add to cart, and go to here, this cart, just click on here, the cart, and just click on here, place order button. And as you can see, just loading. All right, so it's now okay. Let's go back again and check out our mail. And if you see here, this design is a little bit different. With our social media, just click on here, then as you can see, I get my, you know, all the information, everything in here. All the social media is working in here. Okay, so I hope guys now you understand, and it's gonna work now. And our work almost finished in here, and now you guys know everything, how to customize, how we can post, how we can do it all, everything you can, you know it now. So one thing, if you see here, we can use SEO for SEO. Just go to plugin and just search your SEO. This is a free plugin. I'm not going to show you how to use it, but if you are going to make blog website, and if you want to rank your website in Google, then my recommendation, you can just install, you can use it. Or if you want, then you can use rank math. It's also people are saying that it's good. So you can move on also on that. Okay, everything up to you, what you like. And we're getting some updates, so let's click on update button to update this plugin. And our work almost finished, so let's take a final backup, because in later if we do something mistake, then we can directly get back everything. Alright, so we're getting the final backup. And lastly, one thing that let me show you, that is how much our website is now, this speed. So let me go to GT metrics, and the another website is like Google page speed, I think it's called. I'm just talking about this one, page speed web. Put here the website name. Okay, let's put here the website name. Just click on it, and also come here GT metrics and put your website URL, and let's wait what they are saying us. Let's see. Alright, so in mobile it's 80%, as you can see, and if you see here the desktop, it's 99%. So it's really awesome, and it's I'm really feeling happy for getting this, that yeah, it's really good. And it's and if you see in my case that our Namecheap server, it's not really good. It's good, but it's not much that was expected. And now its performance is 93, so it's really, yeah, it's good, not bad something. So I hope guys now you understand, and if you want to change anything, any content and anything, just you can directly edit from via Elementor, you can change it. Or if you want to do customization more, then you can directly do everything. Okay, and that's it for guys today. If you really feel that like, yeah, this video helped you a lot, then please let me know in comment section. Or if you have any question, then please must be send me, you know, just tell me. And if you want to buy, or if you want to learn more about Elementor and WordPress, then check my course. And if you want to support me, check video description, I'll provide you a link. Thank you so much for watching this video.